Dear friends, in this video, I'm going to burst the 7 biggest myths surrounding yoga. Pranam everyone, my name is Poli Parihar and I welcome you all to Sai Yoga. First biggest myth is that this is only for therapeutic purpose. Yoga is designed in such a way to keep us healthy, but not only for therapeutic purpose. Second biggest myth is that people believe that you can't lose your weight with the help of yoga. But this is completely wrong because we have 3 main regimes or 3 styles which could help us to lose the weight, or we can burn the calories with the help of these 3 forms parallelly as we burning the calories with the cardio or with the aerobics. So first style is hot yoga, second Ashtanga Vinyasa, third is flow yoga. Third biggest myth is that yoga is only meant for old people, but this is not true because it has strong 4 pillars. Yoga keeps you mentally healthy, physically healthy, socially healthy and spiritually healthy. Fourth biggest myth is that you can't build your muscle with the help of yoga. This is not true because in yoga we do all type of contraction which help us to grow the muscle. Isometric contraction, eccentric contraction and concentric contraction. Next biggest myth is people believe that yoga is more difficult than gymming, but this is not true. Why? Because after yoga you feel refreshed and after gymming you feel tired. Next biggest myth is people believe that yoga only meant for females, but this is not true because if female do yoga, it could be benefited by yoga. If male is doing yoga, he could be benefited by yoga. Yoga is for holistic health, not for specific gender and caste. Next biggest myth is people believe that yoga is boring. However, this is not true because in yoga, we try to connect with ourselves, we know our own identity, we find the breath, body, mind concentration. If you're feeling bored during yoga, that means you are not liking your own personality. You are not ready to move your own identity. That's why you're feeling boring. So these are the 7 biggest myths surrounding yoga. Hope you like this video. After this video, you can have a look with this video. Till then, do yoga, perform yoga, have a sigh of relief.